Today, I'm going to show you how to check your RedotPay crypto card number and manage your card security settings. Step 1. View your card number. Open the RedotPay app and select Card. Tap View, and the app will prompt a security verification based on your selected method. If you've chosen device biometrics, the app will use the biometric method set on your device, like a fingerprint or facial recognition. If you've chosen identity verification, the app will send a verification code via email, phone, or Google Authenticator. You can also tap Change Verify option to switch methods. Once verified, the app will display your full card number, expiration date, and CVV. Warning: remember, always use your card securely. Avoid linking it to untrusted websites or sharing your card information with others to prevent potential losses. Step 2. Switch your verification method. RedotPay offers 2 secure verification methods to access your card: device biometrics and identity verification. You can switch between these anytime. Open the RedotPay app and tap the profile icon at the top left. Go to Security, Advanced Security, Card Privacy Controls. Choose your preferred verification method. Complete the verification process to successfully switch the method. By following these steps, you can safely view your card details and control how your RedotPay crypto card is accessed.